Valentine's Day is right around the corner. If you want to make a shaped Valentine's Day card, I want to show you how easy it is to do. If we go to our images, we can search for a heart. And over here, I'm going to filter to free. And you're going to see I have lots of hearts I could choose from. I sometimes like to pick on a few different images so that I can add them all to my canvas at once. And then I can look at them and kind of decide which one is going to best suit my needs. These actually look the same, it's just one is colored in. So I'm going to get rid of one of those. I like this one, but I want to change the shape of it just a little bit. So it's somewhere in between these two. So I'm going to go to the top and unlock it. And that allows me to kind of manipulate it and make it more of my own. I think that's what I'm going to go with. So I'm going to just delete these other ones. So I like this shape. So now I'm going to make sure this is locked. And now I want the width to be 5.25. So in order to make this into a card, I'm going to need a second heart. So what I'm going to do is right click and duplicate. And then I'm going to put this heart over the top and I want to flip it. So now it's upside down. So the two of them will come together. You can see where the overlap is. That's where it's going to fold and make hard. So I am going to now take both of these and I want to make sure everything is lined up perfectly horizontal. I'm going to shift this so you can see the magic happen. Select everything and say align center horizontally, and now perfectly centered. Now, if I were to make this right now, it would cut this heart and then cut this heart, where I wanted to just cut around the outside of both of these hearts and not cut where they overlap. So I need to combine these two hearts so it's one big shape. So I'm going to go to the combine function and click on that. I can weld it. That will do what I need it to do, but I will never be able to undo that. It's forever welded together. So I'm going to use Unite. The nice thing about Unite is if I decided I wanted to change this at all, I could undo Unite. Now, you could just go and cut this and fold it in half, and that would be fine. But if you wanted the Cricut to do the scoring part of this, what you can do is go to your Shapes button, insert a score line. You'll then rotate that to be 90 degrees. And we're going to want that positioned right here, which is dead center of that design. So we can select everything and say align to be centered. And there you go. The last step you want to do is click the attach button. Attach will hold the placement and position of that score line on those hearts. Now that all that's left to do is click make it, and you can cut out your heart-shaped card. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.